Hey guys, John, Vapor Rolling Technologies here. I wanted to show you a quick example. We have been working on removing anodizing in the vapor hone system. And we have three different samples in front of us here. The first one being the most aggressive abrasive. The second one, like a medium type of abrasive in the 120 to 170 range. And then here was a combination of glass beads and aluminum oxide. So you can see there were more glass beads with this sample because it's more shiny and bright. And that's really the big example and difference I wanted to show you, was the finish level differences. And of course there are surface roughness differences as well on the part, but there's certainly an aesthetical difference. And it's something we get asked all the time. So I just wanted to show you real quick what this was. But these were 2 aluminum oxide and then a mixture. If you guys have questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to help.